circle, triangle, square, pentagon, heart, star, let's learn colors name. Red color, yellow color, blue color, sky blue color, green color, brown color, orange color, pink color, black color, light green color, circle, pink color, triangle, yellow color, square, red color, pentagon, blue color, heart, green color, star. Let's revise. Circle, triangle, square, pentagon, heart, star. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Know Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.